Hello everyone and welcome to Plus Equal. In this short tutorial I will show you how to make your text lowercase, and with this I mean to contrast with the ToUpper tutorial that we have. And at this moment I'm thinking, why the hell I didn't made all in one video, but whatever. I already have Unity here. I will actually open up this script as well, and in this script we use the method ToUpper that basically puts our text in caps. I will show you here by pressing play mode or by entering play mode, and you can see hello world all in caps or uppercase. Now what we are doing is the exact opposite, and to do that we can create a string here. We'll put lower message that will be equal to our message, and the message here is hello world with this H in caps, but we could also put something like world just so you see that this will put everything in uppercase and this lowercase. So message dot to lower and close parentheses, and let's save the script. Let's create a debug .log for this new one. So lower message. Let's save this and go back into Unity. Let's press play, and now we have hello world in uppercase and hello world in lowercase. And this is pretty much everything that I wanted to show in this tutorial. I just forgot to introduce you to this in the other video, but anyway, a video for each method. So that's really it for now. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Stay cool, see you there.